Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, front-wheel drive, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.